We are going to demonstrate how to do an underarm throw and show you what to look out for. Stand facing forwards. Hold the object lightly in fingers. Swing the throwing arm backwards. Step forward onto the opposite foot to the throwing hand. Swing the throwing arm forwards, releasing the object in front of the leading foot. Follow through in the direction of the target. You may see a child stepping forward and rolling the object with foot and arm the same side. Use a scarf and place on the leg they should be stepping in with. To make it harder, increase the distance or reduce the target and develop the skill into an overarm throw. To make it easier, throw the object with back knee on the floor. Can you think of a way to make it easier or harder? Why not visit our Facebook, Twitter and website for more ideas?